I've sort of always had a need for a knife, and I've always really liked the functional side of them. Name's Roland Perry, founder of Skate Shank, so making knives out of recycled skateboards. I've always been with a skateboard, and I always had ideas of turning them into something else. And yeah, so whenever I do see someone riding a board, or a friend buys a new board, I'm like, make sure you get a cool colour, because hopefully I get it afterwards. Or even if I'm buying the board myself, the final thing for me is to turn it back into something unique and usable again. So I'm always thinking maybe 4 or 5 months ahead of where it could be. Definitely things that are handmade have more of a soul to them, or a human presence. Yeah, they definitely. I think handmade products, they have an essence of the person in them as well. One feeling you get from is just a big sense of reward, and especially when people start responding to your work and appreciating what you do, and you understanding the time and effort that goes into it. You get a really good big sense of reward. And I just love making stuff. It just makes you feel like quite wholesome. You feel like you're doing something good for the world rather than throwing stuff in the rubbish.